Hello there, my name is Caroline, and on this episode I'm going to teach you how to make delicious chicken at home. Stay tuned for more, subscribe down below, like and share. Let's get started. Yes, so I am going to prepare chicken because, as you know, I love chicken. So the first thing we're going to do is grill it until it has browning all over. So the first thing we're going to do is to spice it up. We're gonna spice it up. Some salt, of course, and some black pepper. Just spice it up. Can we just massage this chicken so that all of it is filled? We're going to put our pan on fire. Then you're going to put some oil. It's hot. You're going to put your chicken piece inside there and let them have that brown color on top. Gonna do a few at a time. Once you get this brown color like this, you can turn it because we are looking for that brown color all over the skin. So let it brown on one side for 3 minutes, then we turn on the other side. So as that is cooking, we're going to cut our onions and garlic and everything else. Cut them into small pieces. You can start by cutting your garlic. So when you come here, you're looking for a place to just stay away from the town. This is a place. I like when you cut the onions in really tiny pieces like that. Keep turning your chicken until you don't see any pink part. When you see pink part, you just know your chicken is not done, and you cook it for another 15 minutes. So make sure it's really well done, your chicken. So you're gonna cover this and let it cook more. You can see there's no pink part. There's no pink. You can see no pink. The chicken has been cooking for 30 minutes now. You can see no pink. So you're going to transfer this. Yeah. and use the same pan. So this time we're going to use some butter. You can use some butter for your chicken. Say 2 tablespoons of butter. Going to put in our onions. And our garlic. We're going to put our tomato paste. One tablespoon is okay. Can put in some curry powder. And some oregano. Once your sauce has really cooked, you can see it looks so good. We're going to put our chicken in. Put it in. This chicken turns out so juicy and delicious because it's full of flavors. So this chicken soup, we're going to use it. So don't pour it. We're going to use it. Turn this up. Make sure each chicken is immersed in the sauce, this rich sauce. I want it to have this amazing color, all of it. So we make sure each chicken is covered completely. So make sure you have a big pan. You can try this in your home. Going to cover this and let the stew get in for 5 minutes. Wow, you can see the chicken is done, but we are looking for that rich soup. So what we're going to do is add some soy sauce on it, some soy sauce on the chicken. We're looking for that rich sauce. Okay, and then because we want to balance the sweetness and the sour, we have to put in some honey to make it really nice and sweet. Look at that. So remember our soup, the soup I told you about. So we're going to pour it on top. the chicken soup be boiled. So we're just going to let this bubble for 5 minutes, and then that's it. Our chicken is done. Yummy, sweet, honey, full of flavor. Your chicken, so delicious. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this flavor. Amazing. Amazing. Look at that. So, because we're looking for that rich taste, the last thing we're going to add is some mayo. Add some mayo on top because we want to give it that creaminess, that creaminess. If you have some cheese, you can put on top. If you have some, want more butter, you can add. But that's it. We're just going to let it bubble for 5 minutes. That's it. Just to top it up, we're going to put some parsley on top because we want it to have that fullness. Look at that. So our creamy, delicious chicken is done. I'm gonna switch this off. I hope you've enjoyed making this delicious chicken, and it's so delicious. You can make it for lunch or dinner. It is so flavorful. So if you've enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe down below and to share and to comment so that I know how your experience was preparing it at home. That's it from me. Bye.